Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
How about that? Is that a possibility?
Let me just take it from the stolen mandate perspective.
Right.
Atiku is laying claims to this mandate. Obi is laying claim to the same mandate. His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been sworn in as the president of Nigeria, as the authentic and popular president of Nigeria. I'm sure that three persons cannot win the presidential election at the same time. So one person must have won. And it is also very possible, too, that those who are laying claims to the mandates are not the rightful winners. Obi cannot win the same, election that he's laying claim to. Atiku also cannot win the same election. Both of them cannot win the election.
Don't you think that is what the court will give closure to? When the court finally decides and says, look, all three gentlemen, this was the winner, or this is the rightful winner.
It's not for us to decide. It's not for us to decide. It's not for you to decide. It's not for any Nigerians to decide. It's for the courts to decide.
Don't get me wrong.
Who won the election.
Listen, don't get me wrong.
No, because
you
know why we need to interrogate this.
Okay, go ahead.
One of the points you raised in your intervention is that, look, if Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar are sure that their intentions are really in the public interest, in the national interest, then they should step down. It's almost like a blackmail, really. That's what it's...
Pure blackmail. Blackmail, that is what it is. This woman has obviously been paid by Inec to carry out this evil. A man won an election, he was rigged out, and you are saying that the person they put there is doing well, so the man should go and sit down. He should forget about it. This is like saying that a kidnapper came to my house and kidnapped my child. Then you are saying that I should not go and get my child because the kidnapper is taking care of my child already. So I should allow my child to go. Look at the kind of wicked perspective this evil woman, this thief is talking from. This woman is evil. She's a thief. And I'm going to do my background research. I'll get the name of any organization, her NGO and everything. And we'll begin to talk against it. We'll begin to make sure that we bring that NGO down. That evil NGO that is not interested in the progress of this nation. That is not interested in justice. Look at what this wicked, useless woman is coming to say on national TV. And of course, Nigerians did not pardon her. They came to the comment section and they insulted her life. They finished her. Let's take some of the tweet reactions. This one said, I said this. God will punish you and your likes for uttering such words. Yes, God will punish you. And this tweet said, money has obviously passed hands. She's being bought over. Useless woman. This particular tweet said, this lady came to national TV to embarrass herself. The lady anchor, who normally doesn't box her guests to a corner, could not stomach this woman's illogicalities and poor presentation of views. Very illogical presentation of views. Very evil presentation of views. Now, in other news, popular sports analyst Charles Anazodo was, mocking obedience when Tinubu was announced as president-elect by Inec. He first tweeted, he said, I'm not sure God chooses leaders for nations, except maybe Israel. Tinubu was elected by the masses, as indicated by the polls. My prayer is that he aids in moving the country in the right direction. Then, few days after that, he tweeted again, I really respect Tinubu for his mindset since he was declared president-elect. Very progressive. In his mind, he was mocking obedience. Just yesterday, when suffer hit him, the small salary wey they collect, if you say he's on top of the world. You know, people, when they are receiving small money, they feel that they are already sorted out. Other people can suffer. Yesterday, when the suffer can start to the hit them small, removal of fuel subsidy, don't they finish the small salary wey they collect? Now he can go tweet. He said, it seems like we are working just to have money to buy fuel alone. Food is now a luxury. Now obedience come blast am. Some can't go into in comment section, they can't mock am. Look at some of the tweet reactions. And this tweet said, this is only the beginning. Save your tears. It will be needed later. This one said, it is too early to start crying on your renewed hope. Don't forget the 40% electricity tariff from tomorrow. And this particular tweet said, you supported a man that said he will reduce your purchasing power. Were you deaf? I wonder. And this tweet said, must you eat? Must you drive? What happened to your legs and fasting? Everybody go hear am. You think that others are fools because if they collect small salary, they should go to hell. You support whoever you want to support. Now, they say when the sky falls, no be one person go suffer am. 3rd of July, now the date where tribunal go resume. And Nigerians are still chanting, all eyes on the judiciary. We they expect, say they go do the right thing. Dispense justice according to the dictates of the constitution and the electoral laws. But until then, I need to enter town. Make I go get some ogbonge political news.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.